In this video today guys, I will be sharing with you how you can transfer money instantly with PaySend. So to get started, you want to go to paysend.com. The link will be in the description of this video. Once you're there, select sign up. It will ask you for your phone number and email address, first and last name to complete the process. I already have an account, so I'm going to step back and sign in. So here I'm going to continue with my mobile number. Enter the verification code which was sent to your phone, and I'm in, right? So I can confirm my email address. I'll do that later. Once you're in, you want to select send money. In your case, you're going to select new recipient and you want to select the option that says to bank card. With this option, you can send money instantly, right? So you select that option, complete the recipient card number, their first name and their last name. So I'm going to step back and select my account and select my recipient, which is already on file. So here it's going to ask you for a purpose of transfer. Select that and also select the relationship with the recipient. So here I'm going to select my own account and then select continue. Here specify the amount of money that you want to send. The minimum is $6 Canadian, right? Here it gives you an estimate of how much the recipient will receive, how much fees they will charge. This is the cheapest on the market literally. The exchange rate and when the money should arrive. So like I said, it should be sent almost instantly. So select continue, choose how you want to pay. You can pay with a card or Interact e-transfer. So I'm going to select card here and I'll just provide my CVV to send the money. However, I do not want to send any money right now. I just wanted to do a tutorial for you. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.